Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Reza, and in this video I want to talk to you about the new plugin that I got. It's called Falcon, and I got the bank sound. I don't know, sound bank, which one? It's LoFi Dreams. It's obviously for lo-fi. I was gonna just show you how to make a beat from scratch, but unfortunately this was really heavy and my PC couldn't handle it and it crashed. So I just want to show you and talk about the plugin or the VST, I don't know, whatever you want to say, and I will show you the beat that I made, but the track by track. I couldn't play the whole track. So before we get into the video, please like the video if you like it, leave a comment and let me know what you want to see in the next video, and of course subscribe to the channel. It's really helped me out. Thank you so much. So let's get into video. Okay, so as you can see, this is our VST or plugin. It's called Falcon. I got the from the bank sound from here, soundbanks. Yes, soundbanks. Sorry, I got the LoFi Dreams, and I really like this. Obviously because I love lo-fi, and I said so. Let's get this and see what's gonna be. So as you can see, we have sound in here. For example, we have acoustic pianos, which it's more like Contact, something like that. And for example, if you go, by the way, it has really great sound and really I like it. For example, if you choose forgotten piano, if we wait, so it has to load.
One eternity later.
And okay, so let me see. Okay, I think my PC has a weird noise. But yeah, we have some effects in here. For example, you have delay, you have vinyl, you have chorus, you have space, and we have this button. I just noticed if you increase this one, something like that. I think it's for stereo thing. Your sounds get wider. And yeah, this is a piano, acoustic piano. We have animated. I think it's for ARP. And we have of course bass, which all are perfect for lo-fi and I don't know, maybe boom bap. We have drums feature. For example, you can, I don't know, choose one of these, and here for example, okay, see, something like that. You can play your drums with these. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sounds, and we have guitars, we have keys, and I said for specific of these sounds we have specific effects. For example, we have Redux for drums. I think Redux I was in Ableton, and we have Destroy. I think it's kinda saturation or distortion, something like that. We have pads. The pads are great. I mean, especially this one, Chillin'. I used this one in the beat that I'm gonna show you. I hope my PC can handle this. And yeah, we have also textures, so you can go your ambience, for example. The rain sound. And of course you have noises in here. I don't know. This is some vinyl cracker. So this is the look of our VST. I will leave the link in the description. If you want, you can go and get it. So let's get into our beat that I make. I don't know, my PC can handle it. Oh my god. Okay, so I have a piano, I add the pad, I have a guitar, and I have a drum loops. I was not in the mood to wanna just do my own drums, and of course I add some ambience like jungle rain, monkey. I add some vinyl cracker in here, and I add some effects like I don't know, some noise up, noise down, and I add this shims in here. Okay, so let's listen to our piano. It's really beautiful. And then I add this pad that I really like. This was really great. I like it. So it just only had 2 notes. So let's listen to this. It's really good. Okay. Yeah, just that. It just repeats. And then I add this guitar. You know, I think it's from acoustic guitar, so let's listen to this. It's really good. I love this. And then we have this lo-fi drum loops, which I got it from my cymatics pack. It's from Blossom Lo-Fi sample pack, and I actually just used the first one. So let's listen to the drum loops. And I didn't do anything to the mixing part because, you know, it was crashing, and I just want to show you this quick tutorial. Yeah, and all them together, I hope it works. So let me do this one and see. Maybe. Let's go. It cannot. It's just, you know, struggling. You know, I mean, it's just struggling. Oh my God, how I'm gonna, you know, pull this up? So yeah, I'm gonna play the, you know, the whole beat in the last of video for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. And yeah, don't forget to like a video, you know, leave a comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. It's really helped me out. Thank you so much. Till the next video, I'm out. Peace.